Hello students, welcome to the channel Notion of Mathematics. In today's video we will be discussing that how to create a scatter diagram in Excel. So for this purpose I have taken some data here, and you can understand there is one variable that is marketing spend, and another variable is sales revenue. I want to know that what is the relationship between these two variables, marketing spend and sales revenue, or we can say what will be the effect of marketing spend on sales revenue. So for this purpose I want to create a scatter diagram. How we can do this? So firstly I will be selecting this particular, or I mean to say, suppose let me select it with along with the variable name. So I will select this particular data, then I will go to insert, and then I will go to this particular option, and here it is scatter diagram. So this type of chart will be created. So I will take like this one, and its title I am renaming. Its title is like scatter diagram, scatter diagram. And apart from this I want to give access title as well. So let me rename this as well. Its name is marketing spend. And its name is sales revenue sales revenue. So little bit more for formatting I will do here, like font is changed and font size is also changed. Now it is quite visible properly. Now students, see, some scatter diagram is given. So I mean to say, from this particular scatter diagram, what is our analysis? Our analysis is like this: if marketing spend is increasing, then sales revenue is also increasing, but I want to verify it. How I can verify it? For that purpose I will find here the value of coefficient of correlation. So equal to correlation, this particular command I am taking, and I will be selecting array 1 and comma, I will be selecting array 2 and then bracket close. So it is giving me the value 1, and which means it is a perfect positive correlation. It means as marketing spend is increasing in very proper way, in very strong way, sales revenue is also increasing. So I hope students this particular video will be quite helpful to all of you to understand the concept of scatter diagram generation and its analysis in Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video.